Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. This report is for trading on Thursday, November the 6th, 2014. We have been tracking crude oil, which is what you see before you right now. As you can see, we are now still within the negative momentum and a well-established downtrend, and we're bouncing off the last weekly spike low, which was made yesterday, and we hit 75.93, and then rallied to close at 77.35 on Tuesday, and then here's Wednesday. All right, closing at 78.80. So this here could be the beginning signs of a nice little reversal here. Okay, I still don't like the fact that we closed lower, but we spiked on the bottom. That can typically happen. You can spike on the bottom and then rally like that, and then come up. It's possible. So we'll have to wait and see how Thursday and Friday plays out. But as you see here, we are trying to get something going. We're going to need a close on Thursday. If we can get a close above 79.29, that would truly negate the downtrend altogether. All right, and then we'll really start to see the market gain some fire here. Okay, so that's what we're going to be watching for. Can the market do it? All right, that's we don't know. This right here could be basically another setup for another leg down after a brief period of consolidation. But if I had to call it going forward for trading on Thursday, I don't think I would really do anything different. I think I would still be looking to capture the reversal. That's basically what I would be looking to do. Um, your intraday support and resistance levels are as follows. Your support is at 77.91. Your resistance is at 79.49. So you'll be long above 79.49, short below 77.91. That's how that will work going into Thursday. All right. Market though, it's still in a downtrend. The momentum though has subsided to the downside, even though we're still established within this bar here. Okay, this pattern here. The market is showing you that it's done selling for the moment. All right. So the best thing to do will be try to play the bounce off the lows here, if you can. On the commentary pane here on the left hand side, I'm working on that. I've been busy as a bee. I just haven't had the time to finish it, but I'm going to be working on it. And what I'm going to do is I'll still put the pane here in this blog as we do it, and on the YouTube channel. All right, but I'm going to put it on the blog mostly. So for time's sake, I won't have time to go through everything on the left hand side here on the pane, break down all the analytics, but it'll be on the blog for you. So just make sure you go ahead and follow me on Twitter and on my blog. The links will be below the videos, okay, in the Vulcan Report playlist, so you can easily follow me on there. Okay. All right, let's keep it moving. All right, let's take a look at the Russell real quick, since it's been the leader during the correction. And as you can see, we're in a well-established bull move here. Okay, trading above the long-term trend line support here. Momentum expanding, consolidating now, running out of steam a little bit. Okay, we need to close above this bar here if we're going to keep this momentum going on Thursday. All right, so that's what we're going to watch for now. We're really consolidating up in here, so that's a little concerning. And I'm getting a reading here that the pulse scan crossed below the swing VIX. as of Wednesday's close. So that could be the beginning of a downtrend channel trying to develop. We'll have to wait and see on this one. All right, but I just want you to see that. Also, this is important here. A close on Thursday below 1161 in the Russell could show that this particular move is over, it's finished, and it's going to correct and come back down and test the bottom of the cumulo cloud, and then of course break below the cumulo cloud as it picks up and accelerates, getting back toward the trend line support level here. That could be dangerous. I'm just showing you what the price action is saying. All right, switching over to gold. As you can see, this is crazy. All right, we hit a low of 1137.70. You see this this negative momentum is starting to expand outward here, so it's keeping this downtrend moving. Like I told you, I didn't think we saw the bottom yet. This bar can arguably be called a big black candle. You can say it's an engulfing bearish line, a last engulfing bottom. You could also argue that, which in some cases can indicate a bullish reversal. Okay, we'll test it and see what happens on Friday, see where the market closes at, but it has a long way to go. All right, in order to say that we're done here in the bottom. I don't see it. We're probably gonna need one more close below this low or somewhere near it, and then reverse like we did when I showed you what was that, the oil, the crude oil. It's gonna have to look like that. Right now it doesn't, so I see no play here, not yet anyway. Okay, same thing with silver here, no different. I just wanted you to see it for yourself. You see what we're doing here, looking terrible. Okay. No reversal as of yet. Extending momentum line here. It's just bearish as can be. The only way you could negate this downside is if the silver was to close above 1593 on Thursday, and you and I both know that's probably not going to happen. And last but not least, let's look at this dollar. All right, the bullish momentum in the dollar is trying to extend out too. All right, it's just not finished either. It's just not. We're starting to extend upward here on the trend line support. We're way above the cumulo cloud, which is way down here in the 84 handle. A close below 86.90 would negate the uptrend. All right, and push prices right back down to test this trend line support, which currently is at 85.85. I'm just saying I only see the long side being played here, because as the dollar strengthens, it's going to take the stock market with it. So any of you who are long shares of stock, watch that. Watch the dollar. The dollar is going to show you what's going on. The dollar is leading the stock market rally right now. Okay, so just keep your eyes on that. As goes the dollar, goes the stock market. All right. So anyway, remember, take what you can and give nothing back.